Here are 3 places on LinkedIn that people often forget to fill out properly on their profiles, or they just don't make great use of it. The first is the featured section. This sits quite high up in your profile and has fabulously sized thumbnails where you can add videos, images, presentations, you name it. Anything that showcases your skills and expertise visually needs to go in your featured section. The second area that people often just don't pay quite as much attention to as they should is the recommendations. Yes, I know, they sit at the bottom of your profile, don't they? So people often think they get ignored, but they don't. People really like to know about social proof. So people visiting your profile will almost certainly look at your recommendations. So you need to make sure that you've got enough to have an impact. How many do you need? As many as you can possibly manage. And a really good way to get recommendations is to give them just a quiet little extra tip. And the third area that, in my opinion, people do neglect on LinkedIn is in their services section. Now, this doesn't apply to everybody, of course not, but if it does apply to you, and if you do have a premium account, you are missing out if you do not add videos to this and have lots of good content. Why? Because it sits between the about section and the featured section, and it is a really good, easy way to make sure that people understand what you do and who you serve. So if you have a premium account and you're in B2B and you offer services, then I would suggest that you really look closely at the services section. You might, for instance, want to add videos that explain what you do, maybe one video for each service. Now, the advantage of videos in the services section is that you can upload them natively. If you're uploading videos to the featured section, they have to be hosted on Vimeo or YouTube. So there is a distinct advantage of having your videos uploaded to the services section. Yes, the thumbnails aren't quite as large as the featured section, but they do show first. And in the services section, you can also have reviews, 5-star reviews like you see on other social media platforms. And again, that's social proof, and that is so important if people are considering hiring you or working with you. So, 3 places on LinkedIn that simply don't get enough attention: featured, recommendations, and services.